Alright, we're at the car wash again. This is, I'm not sure what it's called, but it is a Foam Bright Meadow Plaza car wash. Here we go. You ready, Brian? Ooh, look, it's spraying the side. That's cool. Oh, that was cool. Didn't know I was gonna do that. Gosh, if I can get in here. Cool, Brian, are you excited? Oh, stop. All right, here we go. It's gonna be a good one. It is, ooh, it is color soap. Here go the brushes.
Oh no, no, no.
It's also spraying something on my bar too. Oh, it tells us what it's doing up there, doesn't it? Wash cycle. More brushes. In the front too. Now, I think the top brush is gonna come down.
Oh.
What do you think? There it is. Ooh, and the side brushes are going too. Wow, it's moving slow. It's moving pretty slow. There it goes. Top of the car. Now it's finally going. Wow, this car wash is pretty thorough. It takes a while to do everything. Spraying. It's rinsing, it said up there. And now the hot wax. Oh yeah, the brushes do have black on them too. They're green, white, and with a little bit of black in there, I guess. Maybe just that one. And now the spot-free rinse. Wow, it's kind of taking its time, isn't it? There it goes. Ooh, and the dryer's just started. And it's the, look what kind of dryer it is, Brian. It's the one we pull up to. Wait for it to tell us we can go. The lights are still red. Green. Now we can pull up to the dryer. Are you excited? We like this kind of dryer. Have a minute and 8 seconds left on our dryer. I like the little timer it has. You know, it's not coming down. I don't really know why. Oh well. I guess that's the end of the car wash. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.